I have to remove the instrument cluster of this Mazda CX-5, and this is how I'm doing it. First, remove the bottom part of the dashboard. Disconnect the start and stop button. Remove the upper part of the dashboard. From the left hand side of the steering wheel, pull it towards you, like that. There is some clip that's holding this letter. And right here you have two screws that are holding the instrument cluster and another one on the top. Pull it towards you, and you have to disconnect it from behind. Okay, everything is disconnected and the entire cluster is out. I got the instrument cluster cleaned out. There were some bugs inside and I'm getting it back in place. Be careful putting it back. Connect the cluster. The clip back. It's back in place. Now let's put the screws. Now let's put the cover in place. Now let's assemble the upper part of the dashboard. Let's connect the start-stop button. Let's assemble the lower part of the dashboard. Okay, and we are done with everything. Thank you for watching.